Hey travelers, welcome to another TMR tour. Today we're headed to Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida to check out their endless summer resort. This is Universal's version of a value resort and is comprised of Surfside and Dockside. Today we're having a look at the Surfside resort with a 2-queen bed room. As the name implies, the whole vibe of this room is very beachy and relaxed with clean lines and mellow tones so that you can have a very relaxing stay. We really enjoyed our stay and we're going to tell you why right now. Some of the room amenities include a mini fridge, the coffee maker, as well as ample storage with drawers and plenty of hangers in the closet. The extra desk space is nice if you just want to spread out or if you want to order food in, which you can get a list of local establishments at the front desk. The only thing we found that there weren't ample supply of were USB ports, so plan on bringing a few plug-ins of your own. This mirror with extra hooks was really convenient to keep all of those last-minute items right by the door. In the closet is where you'll find your ironing board, iron, safe, and your luggage rack. For being their value resort, we found that their bathroom was really rather spacious. And they had a very special curved glass shower, which was kind of neat. One thing to note about this resort is that there's no water taxi over to City Walk, so you either have to use the shuttle bus or your own transportation, or you can even walk. Now let's take a look at the rest of the resort. Right off the lobby in the main building, there's a Universal Studios store with resort merch as well as general parks merch, including Harry Potter wands. This is a great amenity because you can pick one up at the end of your trip if you've forgotten one, or if you don't want to fight the crowds. Across the lobby you'll find Starbucks with ample seating and of course tons of USB ports and plugs at all the tables. Next door is the Beach Break Cafe, this resort's counter service. They have grab-and-go items as well as made-to-order foods. We were really surprised by their selection. For breakfast, they had everything from house-made donuts to breakfast pizza and quesadillas, as well as a waffle bar with every topping imaginable and bacon, pancakes, sausage, eggs, breakfast sandwiches, hollandaise sauce, and even a freshly prepared omelet station. They have the Coke freestyle machine so that you can use your refillable cups, and plenty of seating in a cafe style so you don't feel like you're in a giant cafeteria. Now let's check out their heated pool. Generally kept at about 85 degrees, this fish-shaped pool features a gentle walk-in area with little water jets, which is a great little splash pad area for the little ones. There are tons of beach chairs out here, so there's plenty of seating, as well as an outdoor bar called the Sandbar, where you can find Coke freestyle machines as well as adult beverages, and this is where you can also find some of their outdoor recreation activities. At the Sandbar, they even do frozen beverages, which are really great on those hot Florida days. Generally, we thought this was a nice, spacious, clean resort that definitely has those beachy Surfside vibes all the way around. What did you guys think? Let us know in the comments below. Have you stayed here before? Do you want to stay here? We'd love to hear from you. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and we will see you on another TMR tour.